Okay, so the first and foremost thing is start reading books. There is no shortcut when it comes to reading. You have to read as much as you can before your exams, because reading not only it will improve your knowledge, but it will also improve your skills to understand what the passage is actually trying to tell you. So that way you will have a lot of ease while solving the questions. Apart from that, I would suggest that do as much speaking practice as you can, because the smoothness and the flow of your speech will come with time. So you need a lot of practice for it. Apart from that, yeah, like listening is pretty easy, so I don't think there is any point for that. But in writing, do use good idioms and words. Okay, so basically my name is Kajal Rajput and I am from Valsad, Gujarat, and I have completed my bachelor's in engineering with civil from Ahmedabad SAL Institute, and I am looking forward for my master's. Okay, so my overall band score is 7.5. Listening was 8 band, reading 8, speaking was 7.5, and writing unfortunately 6. I was quite happy with my performance because I expected that I would actually score low in reading, but turns out that what I thought would be my strong point, actually I goofed up in that and I received low score in writing. Okay, so the story is kind of funny. So I watched Utkarsh video that it was regarding mistakes people make while speaking English, Indian people make while speaking English. So I kind of find it very funny, and at that moment I didn't know that he also runs an institute for IELTS and stuff. So I messaged him on Instagram, since we were acquaintance from quite a while. So I just messaged him randomly, and it turns out that he do teach that. So I went to him for the first time itself, and that was like quite worth it, because I don't have to go another place and then come back to him, so it was quite good. Okay, so basically my preparation method was not that magical. I did whatever sir asked me to. So basically each and every video I watched, it helped a lot, and also like I kind of already had the habit of reading books, so that was not a very big issue. Speaking practice is also very important while preparing for IELTS, I think, because it takes a while for people to be in flow and to speak smoothly. Okay, so the teaching style of the trainers were really good, because it was kind of free. As I mentioned earlier that I didn't feel that I was, in an institute learning something. It was such a friendly environment, and the trainers are also really flexible with how they teach. So each session has its own spice ingredient, if I must say. So that way it was very entertaining each and every time, because I never felt that I was actually, in a pressure of learning something. So Maitri ma'am, she is really sweet and she helps a lot. So I think it is going quite smoothly as of how I want to, pursue ahead, and what should I do, what should I keep it in mind. So she is telling me each and every point which I should keep in my mind. So I think it is going really smoothly. Okay, so I must point this out that each and every speaking sessions are quite fun, and I can remember each of them very distinctly, because all the fun activities we do, in spite of the speaking itself, it is quite refreshing, because you are not in a pressure that you have to achieve it. Instead, you are enjoying yourself, and that way, if you do it that way, so you are more learning a lot without the pressure of that, no, I have to do this, I have to do this. So I specifically remember this one time that during Fridays, the speaking sessions, so sir made us watch videos of Kenny Sebastian, which was quite funny because I already watched his videos. To be very honest, I was not that nervous because when I reached the venue, I found that the people who were taking care of this, the invigilators, they were quite good with their work, and they were very smooth. So not even for a moment I felt any kind of hesitation. Apart from that, Utkarsh sir, he already prepared me very well. So he told me about all the do's and don'ts. So I was quite ready. I am basically thinking about Masters of Engineering with Environmental because mostly it is due to the fact that when I was doing my final year project, so I researched a lot, and in my final year project I discovered that the CO2 emission from the structures is around 40%, which is in competition with industries and vehicles. So I think we need to reduce that, and I would really like to be a part of that thing if I could solve it. So that is mainly my inclination towards environmental. Definitely, because as I mentioned earlier, it is really good that I didn't, go somewhere else and I directly came to Utkarsh sir, because he is really a good teacher, a very good mentor. So the thing about Utkarsh sir is that, so basically when you are studying with him, he has a whole foolproof plan. But you have to give your 100% as well, because he can provide you with the way, he will give you the path to walk on, but it is you who have to walk it. He will not walk in your place. So I would definitely recommend DCS, and I would definitely recommend my friends and family to go to Utkarsh sir.